Hey guys, so I got PS3 controller. OEM version. I don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway, let's open it up, I guess. You know, PS3, what is it? PSP and PS3. PS3, PSP and PS Vita. We're gonna close soon. The PSN server, right? So I'm gonna do whatever I can before it closes. Maybe I'm gonna buy some games on the digital. That is really good thing because of the CMOS thing, battery, internal battery. Because if the battery is fail, digital games will not work, right? Well, the only digital game that I have is PlayStation 1, and I actually have PlayStation 1 console. I don't think I need to. Yeah, it's not really a big deal for me, but you know, still, I want to play PlayStation 1 game with this thing. This one, DualShock 3 wireless. Click closer to the actual dual controller. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's OEM, as you can see. I think so. Well, it does say it's this PlayStation official product. You know, everyone can put whatever they want. And how to open this thing in legal way? Yep. So yeah, I just don't have PlayStation 2 digital for PlayStation 3, Battlefield 1, 2 and 3 for the PlayStation 3. So I can actually use my headphones, you know. It might be fun, more scary I guess. And there's nothing here. And we got this USB, micro USB. Huh. I haven't seen you in a long time. Well, you got this thing that you only read when there's in trouble, but I don't think you're gonna use it. And this is the controller. Now, PS3, check it out. Whoa! You see that? What is that? What is that? I need to open it. DualShock 6 axis. Let's see. Made in China, of course. The push button feels. This feels right. Where is this? Yeah, there's a light. Yeah, I think everything feels right except this. This is what happens if you buy the cheapest one. I mean, I know. I just want to test it. I just at least one this thing. Let's see if we can fix it without opening the thing. I think I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. Ha! This is OEM. What do you expect? Anyway, so yeah, that's it. I just want to do this video and talk about something. PSN gonna close, so yeah, I'm gonna do whatever I can. I'll see you guys later. See ya.